Today you're going to be filling out a study guide about everything we've learned so far about the Stone Age, because you will have a test coming up. So for A Day, you'll have a test on the 23rd, and for B Day, you'll have a test on the 26th. When we do have the test, you'll email me for the link, and then I will send you the link, and then you'll take the test through forms. But today you're going to fill out the study guide. So you're going to click on here to open up your study guide. Once it pulls up, this is where you'll put the information. Don't know about your guys's, but mine usually takes a little bit for it to pull up. Remember, once you're in here, then you're going to want to make sure you're clicking edit so you can put your answers on. To answer the questions on the study guide, you're going to be using all the assignments and information that we have done previously. So if you need to go back to your assignments, you can go to where it says completed, and you can go back to those and look through them to find the information. You can rewatch old videos to get the information as well. What your study guide looks like. So question number one asks you, why do we need to study artifacts? So you're going to think about, what is an artifact? You know, why do we need to study them? When we dig up those artifacts, why don't we just throw them away? What's the importance of studying them? And then number two says, why did early people learn to make clothes and build shelters after migrating out of Africa? So when they went from Africa up to, you know, the northern part of Asia and the northern part of North America up in Canada, you know, why did they learn to make better clothes and build shelters? And then number three, what are some ways early humans used tools? So you're just going to tell me different things they used tools for back in that time. Number four says, how did early humans stay warm other than fire? Don't tell me fire. I'm wanting to know, you know, what did they make? What did they do to stay warm? And then you have a second page. Farming, or learning to produce food, improved early people's chances of blank. What did that increase their chances of? Number six, farming changed their lives by, you know, what were they able to do them? It allowed them to do something. What were they able to do now that they learned how to farm? And then number seven, list 3 ways early people adapted to their environment. You know, what did they make? What did they do to adapt to their environment? Number 8, where did the first people live? So what continent did they live in? And then here it says, describe how the early people migrated around the world from there. So they went from Africa to where? So they started in Africa and went to what continents? And you're going to tell me that there. Once you get that completed, then you will click close, and then you'll click turn it in. Once you turn it in and I look it over, make sure you filled it out to the best of your ability, then I will send you the answer guide to this study guide, or the answer key to the study guide, so that way you can check your answers, see what you need to study more on still. If you have any questions, send me a message on Teams, send me an email, or a message on Remind.